Crash Course on History of Italy, a broad overview of Italy's history, ancient Rome, Renaissance, and modern Italy. Italy has a rich and diverse history that spans over 2,500 years, from the ancient Roman Empire to the modern era. Its location at the center of the Mediterranean made it a crucial hub of trade and commerce, and its rich culture and artistic achievements have had a profound impact on the world. Ancient Italy. Italy's history can be traced back to the ancient civilizations of Etruscans, Greeks, and Romans. The Etruscans, who inhabited the region of Tuscany in central Italy from the 8th to the 3rd century BCE, were known for their art, religion, and advanced civilization. They were conquered by the Romans in the 3rd century BCE, and Rome went on to become one of the greatest empires in world history. Rome. The Roman Empire was the most powerful state in the world for centuries, with its influence extending from Western Europe to the Middle East and North Africa. The Romans are known for their impressive engineering feats, such as the aqueducts and roads that crisscrossed the empire, as well as their legal and political systems, which laid the foundation for modern Western society. The Renaissance. Italy played a leading role in the Renaissance, a period of great artistic and cultural achievement that began in the 14th century and lasted until the 17th century. This era saw the rise of great artists such as Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael, as well as writers such as Dante Alighieri and Petrarch. The Renaissance was characterized by a renewed interest in classical learning, humanism, and the natural world. Modern Italy. Italy was unified as a single nation in 1861, after decades of political upheaval and struggle. In the decades that followed, Italy experienced rapid industrialization and modernization, but also faced significant challenges, including political corruption, economic instability, and social inequality. Italy played a key role in World War I and II and emerged as a democratic republic after the fall of fascist leader Benito Mussolini. Some interesting stories or examples. Julius Caesar, one of the most famous Roman emperors, was assassinated by a group of senators in 44 BCE. This event is known as the Ides of March, and is still commemorated in Italy to this day. Leonardo da Vinci, a leading figure of the Renaissance, was not just a painter but also a scientist, engineer, and inventor. He created designs for flying machines, tanks, and other futuristic inventions that were far ahead of their time. The city of Pompeii was famously destroyed by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 CE, and its ruins are now one of the most visited tourist sites in Italy. Galileo Galilei, a famous Italian astronomer and physicist, was persecuted by the Catholic Church for his belief that the Earth revolved around the Sun. He was placed under house arrest for the rest of his life. The unification of Italy was led by Giuseppe Garibaldi, a revolutionary hero who fought for the independence and unity of Italy. His famous red shirts were a symbol of the struggle for Italian unification. Top 12 important historic events in Italian history. 1. The founding of Rome in 753 BCE. 2. The Roman Republic established in 509 BCE. 3. Julius Caesar assassinated in 44 BCE. 4. The fall of the Roman Empire in 476 CE. 5. The beginning of the Renaissance in the 14th century. 6. Columbus discovers America in 1492. 7. Michelangelo paints the Sistine Chapel ceiling in 1508–12. 8. The unification of Italy in 1861. 9. The rise of fascism and Mussolini in the 10. Italy's participation in World War I on the side of the Allies, from 1915 to 1918. 11. The rise of fascism under Benito Mussolini in the 1920s and 1930s. 12. Italy's surrender in World War II and the fall of Mussolini in 1943. Other notable events in Italian history include the construction of the Colosseum in Rome, the invention of the modern piano by Bartolomeo Cristofori in the 18th century, and the creation of the euro currency in the late 20th century. In summary, Italy's history is a rich and fascinating tapestry that encompasses ancient civilizations, great empires, artistic and cultural achievements, and political struggles. From the rise and fall of the Roman Empire to the birth of the Renaissance and the unification of Italy as a modern nation, Italy has played a crucial role in shaping world history. Here is a poem about Italy's history. Italy, land of ancient kings, where empires rose and fell on wings. Etruscan, Roman, and Greek, their stories still weaved in every street. Rome, the city of grandeur and might, where gladiators fought and Caesar took flight. The aqueducts and roads they built, still standing tall, a testament to their skill. The Renaissance, a rebirth of art, where Leonardo, Michelangelo, and others took part. Their work still admired and revered. The genius still alive and clear. Modern Italy, a nation born after struggles and strife and battles forlorn. A land of beauty, culture, and charm, where history and progress walk arm in arm. From ancient times to modern days, Italy has lived in many ways. A land of legends, myths, and lore. A treasure trove of history and more. ****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 79893335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.